Some of this stuff is dangerous. Please don't try it at home.
Try it at school. That way, if you get hurt, your parents can sue.
Look at that, come on. You know what, Meister, show them how strong you are. This isn't even part of the show, do the half. Check this out, I'm going to show you how strong my sister is. I will now take all of my weight and I will place it on my sister when she's completely enough. She's going to take 201 pounds of raw muscle. Shut up. All right, handstand right there. If you have a camera, use it. This is a Kodak moment. If you're Japanese with a camera, I'll take a photo now. Up. Up.
Whoa.